talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its is what I was sleeping. That was planted in my brain still remains. Sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone.